everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some KSCRAFT project shares. You can find all these die sets at KSCRAFT Aliexpress or KSCRAFT Amazon. I'll put all the links down in the description box below. So most of these projects are for the December release. It's new for Valentine's for next year. And so we have this set here. It's really beautiful set that's called the KSCRAFT Cherry Sentiments. I'm so into these cherry sentiments. They're really great. I have this paper collection called Cherry Sweet from Prima Marketing, and it's just like really goes with that collection. So this one says cherry on. I've used some foam, some glitter foam that is this like really nice pink color. On top is this shiny metallic kind of rose gold paper. It's really wonderful. And then behind we have this really shiny mint colored cardstock paper, and that's from scrapbook.com, the pastel pad. So yeah, that's where I got these from. And this one says Cherry Amour. I just love the font for that. And we have Cherry Sweet, cherries, the cherry on top, your cherry cute. And next up are these really nice cakes, and they're called heart cakes. There's a small and a large size. And they're so adorable and they're so scrumptious looking. It includes everything you see here, except I've added these kind of like polymer sprinkles. And it says cutie in the middle here, and we have really cute bows. I've added some polymer hearts clay onto the top of the bow, and these look like really cute cherries. I've added this sparkle, glitter sparkle, and it's from this Glitter Glue Metallics. I've got this for a while, way back, and I really love how this cream is like heart shaped, and there's some cream down here as well. And here's the bigger one, a close-up of it. And for these cherries I've used some kind of red, kind of like brushed metallic cardstock, and this one is like red glitter cardstock. And yeah, they're so cute. I just love these. All right, let's move on. We have these really adorable vintage heart vintage heart, I guess these are called. Look how adorable they look. Yeah, so they have a hand signal that says I love you. I guess that's really neat, and I love the contrast of what I did here. And it comes with oops, this heart kind of moved. I really need to glue down these gems. And it comes with the bow and this heart-shaped layer piece with the stitching on the side here, and this cute face. And I love this like shoe. I just love this design of this vintage heart. It's really cool. And here's another one that I made. I made two. Super adorable. I just love the way they're saying I love you. And finally, I made this one here. This one is called the, let's see what this one's called, Heart Award Ribbon. Isn't this the most adorable thing? It's like, it says cutest Cupid, and then I have this Cupid resin, and you can make it into shakers. So I've added some shaker bits that I got from, I don't remember where I got these shaker bits. They must be somewhere. Something, don't remember what it was called. Let me see. Oh, buttons galore, probably. It has like XO and then the hearts say love. And some sprinkles too in there. And so yeah, this heart ribbon, award ribbon is like really, you can probably even add like a pin in here and you can wear it. I just think this is like the cutest heart award ribbon with this really nice scalloped edge here. Super duper cute. And yeah, that's some of the Valentine projects that I'm working on. I still have more to show you all, and I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's project share, and I hope to see you again. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!